Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PlayStation 4 controller on MX bikes. First, we need to prepare your computer with a crucial piece of software. This process ensures your controller is recognized correctly by the game, providing a smooth and immersive riding experience. You will soon be able to enjoy every race with the familiar comfort of your favorite controller. To begin, you will need to download and install PS4 Windows. This essential software tricks your computer into thinking your PlayStation 4 controller is an Xbox 360 gamepad. Head to the official PS4 Windows GitHub repository and find the most recent stable release. After downloading, extract the files to a convenient location, then run the PS4 Windows executable to launch the application. This step is foundational for our setup. Once PS4 Windows is running, connect your PlayStation 4 controller via a USB cable or Bluetooth. The software should detect it automatically. Next, navigate to the Profiles tab and create a new profile, perhaps named MX Bikes. Within this profile, carefully map the buttons and analog sticks to match your desired in-game actions. Remember to save your profile after making these crucial adjustments. Fine-tuning these settings now will save you time later. With your controller configured and PS4 Windows active, launch MX Bikes. Once in the game, open the main menu and go to the Options section, then select Controls. Here, you should see your controller recognized as an Xbox 360 gamepad. Assign the in-game actions like throttle, brake, and steering to your controller's buttons and axes. Make sure to apply these changes before exiting the control settings. This step bridges the software to your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.